Welcome to DrillPro Dynamics, the ultimate software to master MPD simulations. In this short tutorial, we will learn the basics, operations, and features of DrillPro Dynamics. The user interface is divided in two main windows: configuration and simulation. The simulation window is divided in three windows: default, trends, and multiplot. Let's open a data file and check the main features and plots. Once we open, the wellbore is shown on the left. On the bottom, show the status log window. Let's check the trajectory section in 2D view. The 3D view, you can get a better view of the well in 3 dimensions. You can drag the mouse to move the view or use predefined views: left, top, front, and default. Formation section, where you can enter the pour and fracture data. You can open the configuration to choose your preferred options: limit at casing, fill operative area in yellow, or step chart option. You can choose any color to fill areas and customize patterns and lines. In temperature window, you can enter the name of the lithology and temperature gradients for each formation. In the wellbore window, you can hover the mouse on the right plot to check wellbore zones. In drill string window, you enter all BHA component and pipe. Likewise, hovering the mouse over the plot, you can highlight some components of the drill string. In the fluid windows, you can enter all related information about fluids. You can use the optimization rheology feature to get the best rheology model and more. Also, you can change the color of each fluid. The batch planner window, we can schedule operations like circulating, tripping, and drilling. In each of this operation, you can apply MPD conditions and operational parameters like flow, RPM, etc. Let's check the simulation and its plots. In trends, we can play with the mouse wheel to zoom the plot and track some values closely. One of the handy features is the track time, where we can use to back and forth in time and check the profiles versus time. Multiplots. It accompanied by one profile plot. We can track values of a profile plot or choose the profile plot we want. In the multiplot, we can zoom by using mouse wheel and drag the plot to visualize better details. In the options, we can customize the multiplot by selecting the subplot and make changes like individual axes, which separate y-axis for each variable. In the subplot too, let's add the ECD and separate axis. In subplot 3, let's separate axis to get a better view. Let's view the charts window. It grouped by categories like time, pressure, temperature. Volumes also has multiple chart types depending on the class, like pie chart, bar charts, multibar, and more. The fluids will appear with the color we have chosen for them. In the configuration, we have more than 30 plots to choose from, and you find plots that compare drill string versus annulus to get the idea of balance values. The annular section has color code legends to identify easily if the values are in the desired range of knot. Since the batch category is empty, let's run the batch mode to get some data and check all the charts in this category. Remember, this batch has 3 stages. 1. Circulating. 2. Tripping. 3. Drilling. As the simulation run, we are able to track and see the actual values. As we drill, let's change the variables to bit position to monitor the weld depth, and also the standpipe pressure. Profile or default plots. Once it's done, let's check the data charts. Let's check the reports. The batch report generates not only data, but all the chart in its category. The report generates every 10 seconds. At the bottom of the report, we will find the charts. The tabular report will show all the main variables since the beginning of the simulation. That's include the batch mode. Depending on the length of simulation, might take a few seconds. The advantage of this HTML report is that you don't need external Word or spreadsheet processor installed in your computer and can send directly to the printer. Likewise, tabular report with plots will include all the profile charts at the end of the report. Now, let's save the simulation. Select Save As. We have three types of files. Only configuration, DPC type, configuration plus data, DPD type, HDX files, HYD type. We can override any file. Note when we save the file, the DrillPro title will change to a recent file's name. Let's save our legacy file, HYD. I hope this video gives you a glimpse of the power of DrillPro Dynamics and master your MPD simulations to the next level.